Are you ready to set sail on the ultimate adventure? From the moment you step foot on the Utopia of the seas, you'll be treated to a world of luxury and excitement. But to make the most of your trip, you need to know the secrets that only the insiders know. In this video, we'll share our top tips and tricks for making the most of your Utopia of the Seas experience. Use the Royal Caribbean app. The Royal Caribbean app is a valuable tool for passengers on the Utopia of the Seas. This app allows users to stay connected with family and friends, both on and off the ship, through various features. One of the primary functions of the app is to provide real-time updates on ship schedules, including activity and entertainment options, dining hours, and other important events. This information is easily accessible, making it simple to plan your day and make the most of your time on board. Additionally, the app enables passengers to order food and drinks from the comfort of their own cabin, eliminating the need to leave their quarters. This convenient feature is especially useful for those who prefer to relax in their cabin or for families with young children. Overall, the Royal Caribbean app is an essential tool for maximizing your cruise experience and ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. Tips to explore the shops. When shopping on Utopia of the Seas, there are several things to keep in mind to make the most of your experience. First, attend the onboard shopping show to learn about the best places to shop in port and get insider tips from a professional shopper. This is a great way to get informed and avoid any potential pitfalls. Additionally, make sure to inform your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans to prevent any issues with your credit card being declined due to suspicious activity. Using a credit card instead of a debit card for shopping is also recommended, as credit cards offer more protection against fraud and often have better international exchange rates. When shopping in port, it's best to use cash, as this allows for better negotiation and can help you avoid any potential issues with credit card transactions. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices, as many vendors will lower their prices if you walk away. If you forget to buy something in port, don't worry. The onboard shops often have the same items available, and you can even find deals like t-shirts for $20. Finally, keep an eye out for free liquor samples in the onboard shops, which is a great way to try new drinks and often comes with a sale. Choose your cabin wisely. When booking a cabin on Utopia of the Seas, there are several things to keep in mind to ensure you have the best possible experience. First, consider your budget and what type of accommodations you need. If you're looking to save money, interior cabins are a great option. But if you want to splurge, suites offer luxurious amenities like a royal genie and exclusive access to the suite neighborhood. Another important factor is the location of your cabin. If you want to be close to the action, consider booking a cabin on a lower deck. But if you prefer a quieter experience, higher decks might be a better choice. Additionally, think about the type of view you want. Ocean view cabins offer stunning views of the sea, while balcony cabins provide a private outdoor space to enjoy the fresh air. When choosing your cabin, also consider the size and layout. Larger cabins, like the Ultimate Family Suite, offer ample space for families or groups, while smaller cabins, like the interior staterooms, are perfect for solo travelers or couples. Additionally, take note of the amenities included in your cabin, such as virtual balconies, which provide a live HD view of the outside even if you don't have a physical balcony. Finally, don't forget to check the deck plans to ensure your cabin is conveniently located near the amenities and activities you want to enjoy. By considering these factors, you can find the perfect cabin for your needs and make the most of your Utopia of the Seas experience. Things to keep in mind while booking family suite. When booking a family suite on Utopia of the Seas, there are several things to keep in mind to avoid extra costs and make the most of your experience. First, choose the right suite that fits your family's needs and budget. The Ultimate Family Suite is a great option, offering 3 huge bedrooms, an in-suite cinema and karaoke station, a corner balcony with a private whirlpool, table tennis, and spectacular views. Plan your activities and entertainment in advance to avoid extra costs, as the ship offers a variety of activities, including the Adventure Ocean Youth Program, the Royal Babies and Tots Nursery, and the Wonder Playscape. Take advantage of the complimentary dining options, including the Windjammer, Sorrento's Pizza, and Doghouse, which offer a wide range of dishes and are free of charge. Make the most of the exclusive amenities offered in the suite neighborhood, including 5-star dining and coastal kitchen, the plunge pool with in-water loungers, and the suite lounge. If you need more space, consider booking connecting rooms, which can be transformed into double the fun, providing ample space for your family to spread out. Additionally, as a suite guest, you'll enjoy Royal Suite Class Star status, which unlocks VIP access ship-wide, inclusive amenities, and unexpected surprises crafted by your own royal genie. Finally, the Solarium Suite offers unbelievable 280-degree views from high upon the front of the ship, allowing you to wake up to endless blue from the well-appointed bedroom and surround your crew in ocean views from the expansive living and dining area. By following these tips, you can enjoy a luxurious and unforgettable experience in the sweet neighborhood on Utopia of the Seas without breaking the bank. Cruise purchase included food choices and extra cost-saving tips. As part of your cruise purchase, you'll receive a variety of food choices to make your dining experience enjoyable and memorable. The main dining room offers a wide range of international cuisine, including American, Italian, and Asian dishes. The buffet provides a variety of international dishes, including salads, soups, and entrees. Casual venues offer a range of casual dining options, including burgers, sandwiches, and salads. Room service is available for a convenient and comfortable dining experience in the comfort of your own cabin. Additionally, specialty restaurants offer fine dining, seafood, and Italian cuisine for an additional fee. By taking advantage of these food choices, you can enjoy a delicious and memorable dining experience on Utopia of the Seas without breaking the bank. When it comes to saving money on food on Utopia of the Seas, there are several strategies you can use to make the most of your dining experience without breaking the bank. One of the most effective ways to save is by taking advantage of the complimentary meals and snacks available on the ship. These include meals in the main dining room, buffet, and casual venues, which offer a wide range of options to suit every taste and dietary requirement. Additionally, you can also order a few appetizers in the main dining room to try out new dishes without breaking the bank. In terms of drinks, take advantage of the daily drink specials and happy hour deals to save money. You can also ask at your favorite onboard bar if they run drink deals and plan your visits accordingly. If you plan to eat and drink a lot on your cruise, consider booking a drinks or dinner package. These packages can save you money by bundling your purchases. Finally, when ordering a drink, consider skipping the souvenir glass, which can add extra cost to your bill. By following these tips, you can enjoy a delicious and memorable dining experience on Utopia of the Seas without breaking the bank. Understand the layout to save time. To understand the layout of Utopia of the Seas and save time reaching your desired destination, start by familiarizing yourself with the ship's deck plans. You can find these on the Royal Caribbean website or through the Royal Caribbean app. The deck plans will give you an overview of the ship's layout, including the location of public areas, dining venues, and accommodations. This will help you plan your day and make the most of your time on board. When planning your day, consider the ship's layout and the location of the activities and amenities you want to visit. For example, if you want to enjoy the Aqua Theater water shows, make sure to head to the Aqua Theater deck. If you want to try the Flowrider Surf Simulator, head to the Sports deck. By knowing the location of these activities, you can plan your day more efficiently and avoid wasting time searching for them. Additionally, take advantage of the ship's interactive maps and wayfinding tools. These can be found on the Royal Caribbean app or on the ship's TVs. These tools will help you navigate the ship and find your way to your desired destination. You can also ask the ship's staff for assistance if you need help finding a specific location. By understanding the layout of Utopia of the Seas and planning your day accordingly, you can save time and make the most of your cruise experience. Stay hydrated. When you're on a cruise like Utopia of the Seas, it's crucial to drink water regularly, especially when you're engaging in physical activities or spending time outdoors. The ship offers various pools and water activities, such as the Ultimate Abyss and the Flowrider Surf Simulator, which can increase your body's heat and water loss. To prevent dehydration, drink 5 to 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes while on the water. Avoid sugary and caffeinated beverages, as they can inhibit your body's ability to absorb water. If you experience any of the signs of dehydration, drink water immediately and seek medical attention if the condition persists. Remember, dehydration can have serious consequences, including kidney failure. By staying hydrated and being aware of your body's signs of dehydration, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience on your cruise. Plan your evening. Avoid the dinner rush. Set sail on your Utopia of the Seas evening with a delicious meal at 6:00 p.m. Make reservations beforehand to secure a spot at your favorite specialty restaurant, or explore the variety offered at the Aqua Market, a first-of-its-kind food hall featuring everything from Greek mac and cheese to Asian cuisine. After dinner, catch a show at 7:15 p.m. From dazzling Broadway productions to hilarious comedy acts and captivating ice skating spectaculars, there's something for everyone. Booking tickets in advance ensures a good seat, but standby lines are always an option. By 8:30 p.m., the night is yours to explore. Feeling lucky? Try your hand at the casino. Want to dance the night away? Hit the nightclub. Or unwind with live music or a good book in a cozy lounge or bar. Feeling peckish later on? No worries. Grab a late-night bite at the pizzeria or other participating restaurants. By 11 o'clock p.m., you can continue the party or unwind in your stateroom. The choice is yours. With this plan, you'll avoid dinner crowds, secure good show seats, and have ample time to experience all the fun the Utopia of the Seas has to offer after dark. Check the operating hours for Ultimate Abyss. When it comes to the Ultimate Abyss on Utopia of the Seas, there are several things to keep in mind to make the most of your experience. First, don't miss out on the opportunity to capture memories of your Ultimate Abyss experience. With the ship's advanced camera systems, you can record your ride and share it with friends and family back home. Additionally, take advantage of the ship's photo opportunities and capture stunning shots of the Ultimate Abyss from various angles. Be prepared for a thrilling ride as you plummet 43 feet down the longest dry slide at sea. This adrenaline-pumping attraction is sure to get your heart racing and leave you screaming for more. Additionally, take note of the zoom-boosting rollers and transparent racing windows that allow you to track your progress and compete with friends and family.